In this Quick Practice Better tutorial, you'll learn how to add FAQs in Practice Better in just a few steps. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a powerful alternative that could offer even more functionality for your needs. So let's jump right in. First thing you'll want to do is log into your Practice Better account and head over to your admin dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings tab at the top of the page. Next, you'll see a list of options in the left sidebar. Look for Client Portal and click on it. This section controls how your clients will interact with the portal, including what they see when they log in. Now, find the FAQs section. This is where you'll be able to create your frequently asked questions list. You'll notice a button that says Add FAQ. Click that to start adding your first question. The fourth thing you need to do is type in your question and the corresponding answer. You'll see two text fields, one for the question and another for the answer. Fill those in with whatever FAQs you want your clients to see. You can also format the text to make it easier to read, like adding bullet points or links if needed. Once you've added all your questions and answers, don't forget to click Save. Practice Better does a great job at organizing everything for you, but you'll still need to double-check to ensure everything looks correct on the client side. Next, if you want to make your FAQs more accessible, you can control where they appear. In the Client Portal settings, you'll have the option to display the FAQ section on the homepage or in a dedicated FAQ page. Choose the option that works best for your clients. At this point, you're done with Practice Better's FAQ section. It's a fairly straightforward tool, but it might be limiting if you're looking for more customization options. This is where the alternative I mentioned comes in. Stay tuned to hear about that in just a moment. Now, before I wrap up, I want to mention that you can access an exclusive extended free trial for Practice Better through our link in the description. But if you're someone who needs more advanced features and customization when adding FAQs or managing your client portal, I've found some other tools that might suit your needs better. These alternatives also have great free trials, and if you're looking for even more flexibility with client interactions, they may be worth checking out. Make sure to grab your exclusive free trial, available only through our link, so you can dive into Practice Better and explore its full potential. And don't forget to check out those alternatives for even more options.